you from? Montreal. Ay, gracias. Sí. Hola. ¿Está listo? Oh, Colombia. ¿Para dónde? Medellín.
Bogotá.
Oh, Bogotá. Perdón.
What's your name, Nikauri? Umahuele, Nikauri.
Oh, she got the hookup. Mira, eso es mi amigo, se llama Rolando, ¿verdad?
Rolando.
That's how you say it, that's how you do it. I'm still learning. It's my boy Black Friday in the building.
Yeah. Here we are, man.
Yes. Tell them what you do, man.
Yeah, but I'm here Black Friday. I'm the salesman from Scuba Aquatic. You know, when you want to do something very good, you just come see Black Friday in the Aquamarine.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, my man.
Hey, yo, and for those that don't know, watch this, y'all. Sac passe.
Nabule.
Sac passe.
Nabule.
You know what I'm saying, y'all?
Yeah.
Back at you once again. I have a new friend over here. Her name is Eileen. Let her introduce herself. Tell the viewers how you like it.
I love it here. It's so beautiful. It's like in a movie, like in the Caribbean.
Yes. You're right. It is like a movie setting, like everything, the palm trees, the water, the beach, everything.
White sand, everything.
Oh, the white sand, the people.
Yeah.
Very nice?
Nice and friendly.
Oh my gosh.
Different than in Germany.
Oh, and you from Germany? She's from Germany. Okay. So what do you like the most about your trip so far?
I love the friendly people here
Yes.
the culture and the nice beaches and everything.
Yes.
Like a dream.
Yeah. Oh my God. So everybody, yes, Eileen is here and she's having a good time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Time of this year.
We're all having a good time here, and yes, you need to come to Punta Cana and have a good time down here. Yes. la casa? Adonis. Oh, shark and stingray, stop playing.
Cuando te pregunta, está cansada. Corazón que ama no